How to set permissions on Google Docs. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about sharing and changing the permissions and setting the permissions on Google Docs. So now let's get started. Okay, so this is a common issue among many people. And to get started, you just have to click on the share option that is in the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on it, give a name to your document or the file you're sharing. And after you do that, you will be taken to this kind of interface. A box will appear and you will notice that the default setting is restricted. So if you send the document without changing this setting, the recipient will not be able to access it. So to adjust the permission, click on the drop-down menu and then select anyone with the link. You will then see several options. The viewer option allows others to view the document without making changes, and the commenter option lets others leave the comments on the document, and the editor option gives others the permission to edit the document. So for my personal use, I usually set the permission to viewers so that I can review the others' work without them being able to alter it. So once you have selected the appropriate permissions, click on copy link option that is in the bottom of this box and you will see a message indicating that the link has been copied, and you can then paste this link to share the document with others. So this was all about it. If you have any questions about sharing or changing permissions in Google Documents, please leave us a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.